Hello, I am Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with the latest updates. Kisan Craft has received an order worth rupees 20 crore from Nepal for 5,000 Intel cultivators which will be manufactured in India at its recently commissioned 46-acre Nellore campus. Ravindra Agarwal, chairman of Kisan Craft, said that our commitment to providing high-quality machinery to small farmers at an affordable price has been recognized and rewarded by customers. India is in a strong position to reduce dependence on imports of farm machinery and also emerge as a manufacturing hub for exports. Best Crop Science Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Best AgroLife Limited, has been granted license for indigenous manufacturing of tebuconazole 50% plus trifloxystorbin 25% WG U/S 993 by Central Insecticide Board and Registration Committee. With this approval, Best Crop Science has become the first agrochemical industry to manufacture and market trifloxystorbin in India. Galosh Cooperative, an agro-cooperative group based in Biodoa, has entered into a partnership with the global machinery company Sinach Industrial, which has been announced at an event at the Ministry of Commerce and Industry of the Federal Government of Somalia in Mogadishu. The partnership enables the supply of new agricultural machinery to Somalia. Parag Milk Foods Limited, a manufacturer and marketer of dairy-based branded product, has received an approval under the government PLI scheme to make mozzarella cheese. The scheme is essentially meant for companies and subsidiaries of MNCs operating in India with minimum sales of food products manufactured in India. Syngenta Group has promoted Feroz Sheikh as Chief Information and Digital Officer. Sheikh is currently the head of Digital Engineering and Data Science at Syngenta. Eric Frywald, CEO of Syngenta Group, said that Feroz brings broad digital and customer-centric leadership experience to this role, shaping agriculture industry standards and creating open-source software and ecosystems. We are looking forward to his contributions. Agoro Carbon Alliance, a global business created for farmers to earn additional revenue from positive climate action, has launched its operation in Nasik with a vision to grow with the growers. Agoro Carbon Alliance is backed by Yara and one of the global agriculture leaders in crop nutrition and world's leading fertilizers company. Cargill is supporting their customers by committing to remove ITFAs from its entire global edible oils portfolio. This helps both Cargill and its customer comply with the World Health Organization's recommended standard of maximum 2 grams of industrially produced trans fatty acid per grams fats oil by the end of 2023. René Lammers, Executive Vice President and Chief Science Officer, PepsiCo, said that we are thrilled to see Cargill's commitment to reduce ITFAs in all of their oils in service of the World Health Organization's goal to phase ITFAs out to food supply. Punjab Agriculture Department has advised farmers to use only certified seeds for wheat crop to get better yield. The agriculture experts recommended Diksha 21, Subhani 21, MS 21, Akbar 19, Ghazi 19, Bakar Star Grain 2017, Zankol 2016, Borlog 2016 and Azala 2016 for irrigated areas and Golden 2016, Johar 2016 for South Punjab districts. DLF Expo Asia 2021 will be organized by Redisiel Communications in partnership with DLG, IFW Expo and GPDFA on 19 to 11 December 2021 at Mahatma Mandir, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. This is the most comprehensive forum where international dairy, livestock and poultry industries, executive, academia, institutional investors, venture capitalists, analytics, progressive farmers and other experts will have the opportunity to shape the future collaboration landscape of technology. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.